So we want to add a ramp to the edge of our track, and getting it positioned right is a little bit tricky. So I'm going to place the ramp right over here, and you'll see it's a little bit too small. I can't actually make it up to that track. I want to zoom in here, and I'm going to use these features here. So I'm going to select this one here, and I can scale it, so I can kind of make it bigger, and I'm going to kind of stretch it out and build it up, and I'm going to zoom out to see how I'm doing here. Not quite tall enough yet, so I want to continue to zoom this up taller, and then again stretching it out, and actually I need to position it. It's getting a little bit too low, so I'm going to bring it back up, and again now I need to stretch it out, and as I stretch it out it kind of makes it a little bit lower, and then I'm going to zoom it around so I can try to get this right. Now I need to kind of rotate it around to get it closer to that track. And again, just kind of playing with the position a little bit to get this just right. Okay, and that looks pretty good here. If I switch over to the camera view, you can see that the track, or the ramp now, goes right up to that edge of that track. So again, I'm using these three tools here to scale it, rotate it, and move it into position so that I get a ramp up from the side. And make sure that your ramp's not too steep, otherwise your car is not going to be able to make it up.